from Bangladesh says he often gets this waswas. What's waswas? It's whispers of shaitan. And he seeks frequently refuge in Allah Azza wa Jal. Sometimes it goes, sometimes it doesn't. So how does he know whether this is from shaitan or from himself? It doesn't matter. It's the same. So the end result is the same. And usually there is a huge collaboration between the two. Maybe Satan does this on his own. Maybe sometimes Satan collaborates with your own soul and self, where you have your own whims and desires, and he mixes both together. So it doesn't make any difference. Just continue to seek refuge in Allah Azza wa Jal from these whispers and try to remain steadfast.